Good afternoon, Mark 2E1CQ. Something popped up on social media whilst I was actually watching TV. A little bit of the news this afternoon. It's too hot to go outside. Where there is a possibility of a new RT-1000 Pro from Radtel. It's causing a bit of a stir. The reason why is because, according to that screenshot there, which they shared because it came up on their Facebook group, that it can TX and RX, obviously, on the airband 108 to 136 megahertz on AM. Why would they want to do that? Because you need an aviation license to do that, not an amateur radio license. However, it is AM and FM SSB multi-mode receive, usual GPS and APRS, UHF and VHF 2 and 70 SEMS, wideband receive, 1000 kHz to 600 megs, multi-mode, 1000 channel memory channels, USB-C charging, 2500 milliamp battery capacity, and a 2-inch screen. I keep looking back at that TX because somebody was saying on the airband you're looking at this. Hang on a minute. No, I'm going the wrong way now. Come out here. We're looking at this. Well, this is a completely different radio altogether. For one, that's not an amateur radio transceiver. That's an aviation transceiver for the aviation bands, and you need an aviation license. So why would they want a TX on it? I honestly don't know whether it's another one of those teaser videos or announcements. I honestly couldn't tell you. But we can only wait and find out. However, 27 megs, also the next one above, TX and RX, AM and FM mode. Now, if that does AM on 27 megs, that is definitely a game changer. However, in my opinion, that's really got to be a true AM modulation. And obviously, it's got to be a clean transmission as well, regardless of where you can actually TX. It's got to be clean as well. And I want to read you something quickly. Before I do my videos, I tend to put stuff down on a notepad and transfer this over to the description of it. Radtel RT-1000 Pro is a brand new, highly anticipated handheld radio transceiver that has just been announced as coming soon by Radtel Radios. Anticipated key features, while officially final spec sheets are still rolling out, early reports reveal several key design changes and upgrades over previous models like the 950 Pro. AM and FM transmission, unlike several earlier Radtel handheld devices that limit wideband reception to receive only and limit transmission strictly to FM, the RT-1000 Pro introduces AM and FM modulation capabilities for transmission, hence what I mentioned about 27 megs and also airband. However, I can't get anything else more than airband on here on what I've found so far. So for the moment, until I find out anything else, I take that down as an AM transmission on 27 megs. Upgrade core systems. Following Radtel's recent design trends, it is expected to carry a crisp color display, built-in spectrum analyzer capabilities, Bluetooth, smartphone app programming for quick fill configuration. So that's what I've actually found so far, rather than making it too long. I put down the link to Radtel Facebook group if you're not a member already, and probably their main website, if they've actually got this up on the website at the moment. I probably haven't, but I'll see if I can find it. But it is a nice looking radio. It is a twin antenna radio. The dial at the top in the middle comes off, and I do believe that's an SMA connection for other additional antennas. What's the cost? I honestly don't know. It's only just been announced. But that is the Radtel game changer if it is AM transmission, wideband, multi-mode receiver and transmitter. The RT-1000 Pro. Check it out, have a look, see what you think. And if I find out anything more, I'll let you guys know. Thank you for watching my YouTube channels. Please like and subscribe. 73's on them, everyone. Catch you later.